In August 2014, a group of Highline enthusiasts from across North America came together in British Columbia for the second annual Squamish Highline Festival. Videographer Ben Fraser captured the action. First off was the Chief, one of the largest granite monoliths in the world. The group set up highlines across a 100-foot chasm between two peaks with inch-wide webbing bolted to the rock at both sides. They then took it in turns to walk the line above a 656-foot drop and even performed in tandem. Amongst the group was extreme sports enthusiast Spencer Seabrook.
Feels good to be a little bit scared, be a little bit unsure, but then tell yourself you can do it and then do it.
The second site was Shannon Falls. Here Spencer took on the ultimate test of faith. A highline walk above the plummeting water without a safety harness. For this adventurer, there's no substitute to living the highline life.
Feels good, feels really good. Yeah. I'm addicted.